Hi, I'm Robert, and welcome to Backyard Bodyworks. Why are you laughing at me? Today we're going to be putting the roof on and getting as much of the tar paper and shingles on as much as we can over today and tomorrow. It's been several days, or actually it's been a week or two since we've been able to work on it last because of weather and illness. So continue to follow along. Stay with us. Guys, that concludes today's video. If you liked the video today, or if you like any of our videos, like and subscribe below. If you want to get notified every time that we upload a video, ring the bell. Be sure to look at other videos that we have posted on this project. This project is getting close to being finished. We've got the roof decking on, and we're looking at putting the tar paper and the shingles on tomorrow. Continue to look for the GT6 videos, as I'm going to start the restoration as soon as we get this done. So, y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Remember, you're watching Backyard Bodyworks.